Hey everyone, the Casio Pro Trek PRG340ANS-3 arrives as a special celebration of the Pro Trek line's 30th anniversary, and it embodies that milestone with a thoughtful blend of design heritage, outdoor-focused functionality, and a distinctive aesthetic theme. Released in November 2025 and now available in the US, this limited edition model draws inspiration from what Casio describes as dappled light filtering through forest trees, and that imagery is immediately visible in its color palette and overall visual character. The watch combines a resin case with a soft urethane band, both finished in deep green tones that evoke woodland environments. Gold accents on the ion-plated band loop and around the display contrast with the darker elements, adding a celebratory feel without drifting into flashiness. A standout aesthetic detail is the strap, which incorporates a timeline of the Pro Trek brand, reminding wearers of the series' long-running legacy in outdoor instrumentation. The duplex LCD, the dual-layer display at the center, reinforces this theme with a green-tinted background that feels cohesive with the rest of the design. A white LED backlight provides good visibility when ambient light is low, ensuring that the watch remains practical despite its commemorative approach. Functionally, the PRG340ANS-3 remains true to what Pro Trek is known for. It uses Casio's triple sensor system, allowing it to measure altitude, barometric pressure, temperature, and directional bearings. The watch also includes sunrise and sunset times for a chosen date, a feature particularly useful for hikers, anglers, and anyone planning outdoor activities around daylight. Beyond these signature tools, it retains the familiar suite of Pro Trek conveniences, such as 5 daily alarms, a stopwatch, a countdown timer, and world time support. Tough solar charging helps keep the watch powered without frequent manual intervention, and the 100-meter water resistance rating ensures durability for most outdoor conditions short of deep diving. At $300, the PRG340ANS-3 sits slightly above the price of some earlier models like the PRG340L-5, but the premium reflects its limited edition status and upgraded design elements. Casio offers free US shipping within several business days, with expedited delivery available for an additional cost. For now, the watch's availability appears restricted to the US and Japan, with no confirmed plans for a European release. Overall, the Casio Pro Trek PRG340ANS-3 is positioned as both a functional outdoor companion and a collector's piece. It maintains the rugged, sensor-rich identity that defines the Pro Trek name, while its anniversary-themed design gives it a unique personality that stands apart from the regular lineup. For fans of the brand or anyone seeking a distinctive, reliable digital outdoor watch, this limited edition model offers a compelling blend of heritage and utility. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.